then today we're gonna be making pig pancakes from the book Give a Pig a Pancake. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step is you're gonna wanna butter your pan and stick it in the oven so it can get all melty and spread all out. Be careful because the knife is stronger. Now, you might want to fry it, but we just like to make it bakey. We just like to bake it because it makes it extra fluffy and, more yummy. Because we do oven fried. Okay, now we're going to mix all our ingredients in the bowl. So 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. It depends how sweet you like it. And then 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then 1 tablespoon of flax. Then 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 cup of milk and a little bit more because of flax. Now we're going to add our flour. So it's going to be 1 cup and 1/4. Okay, once you're done mixing, you're going to want to pour it into your pan and bake it for about 350 degrees. Okay, so how you know it's ready is you're going to poke it with any utensil you want to use. So don't back at you like a pillow. And it's going to be all fluffy like this. Now we're going to make the piggy face. Yay! So I got these 2 strawberries, which it was 1 strawberry, you see. And those are going to be for cute piggy ears. So then we're going to use this nice fat strawberry that we cut it for a little piggy nose. And use these raisins for eyes. Boop. There we go. The face, we're going to use these. These for arms and legs. And a little strawberry. Because it looks like she's holding a strawberry. Okay, now we're going to want to pour some butter on. And if you give a pig a pancake, you want some syrup to go with it. We like a lot of syrup because. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.